Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn those really hard 1G W words. You know what I'm talking about. The W words, those are sometimes so hard to remember. I have some tricks and some special clues that can help you remember these hard W words. Let's get started. Want. I want a cookie. Can you say the word? Was. The pig was dirty. Your turn. Went. I went away. What? What did you say? Where? Where did they go? Who? Who is that? Why? Why did he say that? With. An ice cream with a cherry on top. We. We are partners. Will. Will you marry me? Great job practicing those tricky W words.